pros and cons of working as a social media manager. There are also pros and cons to social media manager jobs, depending on whom you ask. Let's find out what are the advantages and disadvantages of this job. Pros: being the social media manager allows you to be your own boss and work flexible hours. You can also work wherever you'd like, such as in a home office or even on the go. As social media manager, you have access to an extensive network. You get to meet and collaborate with people from all over the world, creating relationships that can open up new opportunities. You have access to the latest social media trends and strategies, giving you the opportunity to stay ahead of the competition. Social media jobs offer a creative outlet for those who are looking for an interesting career path. You get to express your ideas and work on projects that showcase your unique talents. Cons: social media manager jobs can be very stressful, as you have to keep up with the ever-changing social media landscape. You also need to constantly monitor your clients' social accounts for any customer service issues or negative feedback. The hours can be long and unpredictable, as social media never sleeps. You may find yourself working late or early in order to respond to customers or post updates at optimal times. You also need to stay up to date with social media analytics so that you can track results and measure success. This requires a lot of research and data analysis.